Hello and welcome to Oil and Gas IQ News Stream. My name is Patrick Gallagher, Community Manager for Oil and Gas IQ, and I'm filling in for Adam this week after oil and gas professionals reported intense drowsiness and nausea after last week's video. But never mind that, what's in the pipeline for this week? Well, Neptune Energy unveiled a Google Street View tour of their Alpha and Bravo installations on the Cygnus natural gas fields at the UK continental shelf. The tour contains a look at the helipad, wellhead, control room, accommodation and fitness, leisure and restaurant spaces. Obviously, some sites are off limits given safety and security, but the tour does contain interviews with the offshore installation manager, lead production manager, medical team and even the resident chef. A Neptune spokesman said they often find it hard to engage on key issues when they first have to fill that knowledge gap. Neptune are keen to embrace technology and use it to entice stakeholders and even as a potential training tool to improve energy literacy. But what do you think? The entire talk can be found on Oil and Gas IQ and the link can be found below. Also on Oil and Gas IQ are two comprehensive guides. The first is the Floating Production, Storage and Offloading, or FPSO. That one's written by Adam. The second is the Floating Liquefied Natural Gas, or FLNG. That one's written by myself. Whether you're an old hand at the process or completely new to the industry, these guides contain origins, benefits, drawbacks, and even upcoming projects. The guide to FLNG contains a look at Shell's Prelude vessel, which is set to be the biggest FLNG facility ever. Oil and Gas IQ is a definitive encyclopedia for oil and gas professionals, so do check back in the coming weeks for more guides. That's it for this week. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and sign up to the News Stream newsletter for all the latest updates. See you next week.